you're a senior struggling with neuropathy, waking up multiple times a night from pain and feeling that every step is a struggle, despite trying medications, physical therapy, or even lifestyle changes like diet adjustments, I'd like to show you how to reverse your neuropathy without undergoing painful surgeries. Imagine being able to get back to sleeping through the night, moving with ease, and walking confidently without the constant fear of losing your balance or experiencing further damage. Even if you've already tried everything and feel hopeless, this approach might be exactly what you need. So stick around to discover how you can naturally restore your nerves and regain your mobility within just 90 days using a method that's been proven effective in transforming the lives of my patients. It's much simpler than you might think, and I'll explain exactly how it works. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the path to pain relief. My name is Dr. Lisa Gregory, and I specialize in reversing neuropathy naturally through my nerve repair method. As a chiropractor with many years of experience in treating seniors suffering from neuropathy, I've helped countless patients find freedom from pain and regain their independence. My mission is to provide you with a solution that doesn't rely on surgery or increasing medications, but rather one that heals the root cause of the problem. This approach has transformed lives, and it could do the same for you. The number one thing I want you to take away from this video is that the nerve repair method is the most effective way to reverse neuropathy naturally and get back to a pain-free life. It's not the same as relying on painkillers, which only mask symptoms, or even physical therapy that focuses on surface-level exercises. Our method goes deeper, repairing and regenerating nerve cells so you can experience real, long-lasting results that go beyond temporary relief. Think of our nerve repair method like repairing the electrical wiring in your house. If the wires are damaged, just putting a Band-Aid over them or ignoring the issue won't fix the problem. You need to repair the wiring at its source for everything to work properly again. Our method focuses on restoring nerve function, ensuring your body can heal and maintain that healing over time. It's precise, it's targeted, and specifically built to address the core issues causing your neuropathy symptoms. And the first thing you need to know about the nerve repair method is that it's designed to improve blood flow and reduce inflammation around the damaged nerves. By targeting these two critical areas, we create the environment necessary for your nerves to regenerate and function correctly. This isn't just a quick fix, it's a comprehensive approach that uses advanced techniques like red light therapy, specific nerve stimulating exercises, and nutritional support to give your nerves what they need to heal. Research has shown that many conventional treatments only provide short-term relief. For instance, a recent study indicated that over 60% of patients relying solely on medication for neuropathy saw no long-term improvement in their symptoms. On the other hand, patients who adopted a nerve regeneration approach similar to ours reported a significant reduction in pain and improved balance. This is why it's so important to focus on repairing your nerves, not just masking the pain. That's how you can effectively reverse your neuropathy and get back to your life without invasive surgeries or relying on medications that come with side effects. Unlike other treatments where getting results can take years and leave you frustrated and stuck in a cycle of temporary relief, the nerve repair method gives you a path to real transformative and a transformation in a matter of weeks. However, to see these results, you need to follow the nerve repair method the right way. This means being consistent with the exercises, following the nutritional guidance, and incorporating red light therapy as instructed. When done correctly, this method works like clockwork. You have to commit to the process to experience the relief you're seeking. I teach this comprehensive approach inside my Reverse Neuropathy in 90 Days program, where I guide you step by step through the entire process. But let me give you a sneak peek right now so you can get started on your path to relief today. This method has transformed lives, like Miss Robin McMillan, who came to me after years of struggling with severe pain and a fear of falling. After just a few weeks of following the nerve repair method, she reported significant improvement, not only in her pain levels, but also in her confidence and balance. She's now able to walk without assistance and sleep through the night without interruption. When I first started looking for solutions to neuropathy, I encountered the same frustrations you might be feeling now. I tried everything from medications to various physical therapies with my patients, but nothing gave them the long-term results that my patients needed. It wasn't until I started digging deeper into the root causes of neuropathy, like nerve inflammation and poor circulation, that I developed the nerve repair method. I discovered that by combining nerve stimulating techniques, advanced therapies like red light therapy, and a targeted nutritional plan, I could help my patients achieve results faster and much more effectively. This approach worked because it addressed the specific roadblocks most neuropathy sufferers face, such as poor blood flow and chronic inflammation. That's when I realized if you don't treat the underlying nerve damage, you'll continue to experience symptoms no matter how many temporary solutions you try. Addressing the root cause is the only way to truly reverse neuropathy. Now, my patients experience life-changing results. They regain their independence, they walk confidently without fear of falling, and they sleep through the night without pain. These transformations not only improve physical health, but also provide the emotional freedom and peace of mind that many of my patients thought they'd lost forever. But most people won't even begin to take action because they believe nothing will work, or they're afraid of the potential side effects of more medications or surgeries. This is exactly why I created this video, to show you that there's a proven method that doesn't require invasive procedures or risky drugs. And maybe you're feeling this way too, thinking, I can't find relief because nothing has worked so far. If that sounds like you, I want to show you how my nerve repair method can change everything, providing a clear path to healing and lasting relief. If you're worried about trying yet another solution and facing disappointment, I get it. But this isn't just another quick fix. This is a method designed to heal your nerves naturally and effectively, giving you a real chance at recovery and a pain-free life. Now, while I can't promise miracles, I can promise that if you've struggled with neuropathy and felt stuck in a cycle of temporary fixes, this approach is different. It's time to invest in a solution that gets to the root of the problem so you can finally see real progress and relief. So think of the nerve repair method as your guide to restoring your nerves naturally. It's like having a blueprint to rebuild your health step by step so you can regain your strength and confidence to walk, sleep, and live without pain. The nerve repair method is part of a bonus training I offer in my Reverse Neuropathy in 90 Days program. But because I believe so strongly in its power to help you, I'm linking it below for you to access today. You'll see how simple it is to get started and how quickly you can begin to experience relief. Imagine how incredible it's going to feel to finally move without pain, to sleep soundly through the night, and to regain your independence. It's possible, and it's right here for you to take action and start your journey to relief. You can find the link to access the nerve repair method in the description of this video. Don't wait. Take the first step towards reclaiming your life, and I'll see you on the path to recovery.